In this video, we have to see integration by parts with short trick. This short trick we can say a tabular method or DI method. This is your general form. X raised to n is the polynomial function and f of x is the another function into dx. Now, here x raised to n is the polynomial function and f of x should be f of x, a trigonometric function or an exponential function. Sine of nx or cos of nx. Okay, so let's start. We have first example, integration x raised to 3 into sine x dx. Now, what we have to do? We have to just differentiate this polynomial term until 0. Differentiate polynomial function, that is x cube, we have to differentiate, and this is differentiation of this 3x square, again differentiate it 6x, again differentiate, then 6, and on again solving this will be 0. Now, integrate the second function, that is sine x. Integrate the second function. The integration of sine x is minus cos x, again integrate cos x, then we get sine x, but the sine minus sine x, then again differentiate sine x, we will get minus cos x, and minus into minus plus, that is only cos x. Again differentiate cos x, we will get sin x, and on differentiating sin x we will get minus cos x. Now, we have to multiply these differentiation and integration, that means we have to multiply x cube into minus cos x, here plus minus and plus, these signs we have to multiply, then minus into minus, it will be plus 3x square into sin x, then next plus 6x into cos x, 6x into cos x, then minus 6 into sin x, and anything multiplied by 0 we will get 0, minus plus minus 0. Okay. Now, minus x cube cos x plus 3x square sin x plus 6x cos x minus 6 sin x, and this is your solution. Now, the second question, integration x square into cos 3x into dx. Now, we have to differentiate polynomial function, differentiate polynomial function, that is x square, and differentiation of x square is 2x. On again differentiating 2x we will get 2, and on differentiating 2 we will get 0 because 2 is the constant. Now integrate second function, that is cos 3x, integrate second function cos 3x, integration of cos 3x is sin 3x by 3, because 3x is the function and derivative of function in denominator. Then integrate again sin 3x, that is minus cos 3x by 3 into these 3, that is 3 into 3 9. On again differentiating cos 3x by 9 we will get minus sin 3x by 9 into 3, that is 27, and anything multiplied by 0, that will be 0. Okay. Now multiply, these signs are very important. Multiply the differentiation and integrating terms, we will get x square into sin 3x by 3, minus minus will be plus 2x into cos 3x by 9, minus plus minus 2 sin 3x by 27. Here x square sin 3x by 3 plus 2x cos 3x by 9 minus 2 sin 3x by 27, and this is your final answer. Now third example, x raised to 4 into e raised to x dx. Now again we have to differentiate polynomial function and integrate the exponential function, that is differentiation of x square. Okay, x raised to 4 is 3x cube, 4x cube, 12x square, 24x and 24, and on differentiating 24 there will be 0, but on multiplying by 0 we will get 0. Now integrate the exponential term e raised to x, because integration of e raised to x remains same, again e raised to x, again e raised to x, again e raised to x, and again e raised to x. Now our signs plus minus and finally plus. Multiply the terms x raised to 4 e raised to x minus 4x cube e raised to x plus 12x square e raised to x minus 24x e raised to x plus 24 e raised to x. Now we can take out common as e raised to x. So x raised to 4 minus 4 x cube plus 12x square minus 24x plus 24 into e raised to x, and this is your final solution. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends, and to get more updates please press bell icon. Thank you.